Welcome to the in front of me HUAWEI P9 Lite, and I'll show you how to turn on location text on this device camera. So first you should open the camera application and then click here. No, I'll just turn off the watermarks, sorry. And now just slide simply to the left side with your finger. Now, as can you see here, we got the GPS text switcher. Just to turn on the location text, you should click once on the switcher to activate them. And now we'll just make a picture, for example, here, but be sure that you are connected to the internet right now, because if you will enable this feature and you will have no internet connection, you, for example, then on your photos you can just find the location text here. So now just click here to more, and just we got here the show on map, for example Google Maps. Now just you can see that here, got it, that here we got just our photos taken here right now, the location of our photo. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.